Hello.
Hi, welcome to the refill station. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to refill my shampoo bottle.
You want to refill your shampoo bottle?
Yes, we can do that here.
I not refill shampoo before.
You have not refilled shampoo before?
No problem. Just give me your clean bottle.
What kind of shampoo you have?
We have lavender, mint, and unscented shampoo.
Is it good for all hair?
Yes, it is gentle and good for all hair types.
How much does it cost?
It is $4 for one bottle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try refilling.
That's wonderful. Refilling helps the planet. Come back anytime.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the open mic night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to sing my first song.
You want to sing your first song?
That's wonderful. Have you sung on stage before? I not sing on stage before. You have not sung on stage before?
No problem. Everyone is welcome here.
Do I need to bring music?
You can bring your own music or sing with our band.
How long can I sing?
You can sing one song, about 3 minutes.
I am a little nervous.
That's okay. Many people feel nervous the first time.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try singing.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your moment on stage.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the science lab. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to do a simple experiment.
You want to do a simple experiment?
That's great. What do you like?
I not do science experiment before.
You have not done a science experiment before?
No problem. I can show you an easy one.
What is a good experiment for beginners?
You can make a volcano with baking soda and vinegar.
What I need for this?
You need a small bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and food color.
How long it take?
It takes about 10 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try science.
That's wonderful. Science is fun to learn.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Upcycling Art Show. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy recycled art.
You want to buy recycled art?
That's wonderful. We have many pieces here.
I not buy recycled art before.
You have not bought recycled art before?
No problem. It is made from old things.
What kind of things you use?
We use metal, glass, and plastic from old items.
Is it strong?
Yes, it is strong and beautiful.
How much is this sculpture?
That sculpture is $20.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to buy art that helps the earth.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new art piece.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to movie night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if I can bring my own chair.
You want to know if you can bring your own chair?
Yes, you can bring any chair you like.
I not bring chair last time.
You did not bring a chair last time?
That's okay. We have some extra chairs here.
Is it better to bring my own?
Yes, it is more comfortable if you bring your own.
Can I bring a blanket too?
Yes, a blanket is a good idea for the evening.
What time movie start?
The movie starts at 8 p.m.
The movie starts at 8 p.m.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to watch a movie outside.
That's wonderful. Enjoy the film and the fresh air.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the walking group. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to join the weekend walk.
You want to join the weekend walk.
That's great. We walk every Sunday morning.
I not walk with group before.
You have not walked with a group before?
No problem. We welcome everyone.
What time you start?
We start at 8 a.m. at the city park.
How long is the walk?
The walk is about 1 hour.
Do I need special shoes?
Just wear comfortable walking shoes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to join the group.
That's wonderful. See you on Sunday.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the book swap. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to trade English books.
You want to trade English books?
That's great. We have many English books here.
I not trade books before.
You have not traded books before?
No problem, it's easy.
How I trade my book?
Just put your book on the table and choose a new one.
Can I take more than one book?
Please take one book for each book you bring.
Do I need to write my name?
No, you don't need to, but you can if you want.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find new books.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your reading.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the mural project. Can I help you?
Yes, I want paint a small section of the mural.
You want to paint a small section.
That's wonderful. Everyone can join.
I not paint mural before.
You have not painted a mural before?
No problem. We help beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring yourself. We have paint and brushes here.
Can I choose any color?
Yes, you can choose any color you like.
How long I can paint?
You can paint for 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to join the project.
That's wonderful. Your art will be part of the city.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the photography walk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the photo group.
You want to join the photo group?
That's great. We meet every Saturday.
That's great. We meet every Saturday.
You have not joined a photo group before?
No problem. We welcome beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring your camera or your phone.
Do I need to pay?
No, joining the group is free.
What do you take pictures of?
We take pictures of the city, people, and nature.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try photography.
That's wonderful. We look forward to seeing your photos.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to our eco bakery. Can I help you?
Yes, I want buy bread without eggs.
You want to buy bread without eggs?
Yes, we have some here.
I not eat eggs.
You do not eat eggs? No problem. This bread is made with only flour, water, and yeast.
Is it soft?
Yes, it is soft and fresh every day.
How much is one loaf?
One loaf is $3.
Can I taste before I buy?
Yes, here is a small piece to try.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find egg-free bread.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your bread. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the rooftop garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to grow tomatoes in pots.
You want to grow tomatoes in pots?
That's a great idea.
I not grow tomatoes before.
You have not grown tomatoes before?
No problem. They are easy to start.
What I need to begin?
You need a big pot, good soil, and tomato plants.
How much sun they need?
Tomatoes need at least 6 hours of sun every day.
How often I water them?
Water them when the soil feels dry, usually every day.
Can I grow them on my balcony?
Yes, tomatoes grow well on balconies too.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You're learning.
I am happy to try gardening.
That's wonderful. Enjoy growing your tomatoes.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to Repair Day. Can I help you?
Yes, I want fix my broken lamp.
You want to fix your broken lamp?
Of course. What is wrong with it?
It not turn on.
It does not turn on? Maybe the bulb is broken or the wire is loose.
I not fix lamp before.
You have not fixed a lamp before?
No problem. I can show you.
What I need to bring next time?
Just bring your lamp and maybe a new bulb.
How long it take to fix?
It usually takes about 20 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to learn something new.
That's wonderful. Let's fix your lamp together.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Digital Art Fair. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a digital print.
You want to buy a digital print?
That's great. We have many prints here.
I not buy digital art before.
You have not bought digital art before.
No problem. It's easy.
How do I get the print?
You can get it by email or download after you pay.
How much one print cost?
One print is $5.
Can I print it at home?
Yes, you can print it at home or at a shop.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try digital art.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new art print.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the outdoor language class. Can I help you?
Yes, I want practice English with a group.
You want to practice English with a group?
That's great. We have group practice every Saturday.
I not practiced with group before.
You have not practiced with a group before?
No problem. Everyone is friendly.
What I need to bring?
Just bring yourself and a notebook.
How many people in the group?
How many people in the group?
What do we talk about?
We talk about daily life, hobbies, and travel.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to join the group.
That's wonderful. The more you practice, the better you get.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the bike wash. Can I help you?
Yes, I want clean my bicycle.
You want to clean your bicycle.
That's great. We have everything you need.
I not cleaned my bike before.
You have not cleaned your bike before?
No problem. I can show you.
What I need to do first?
First, use water to wash off the dirt.
Can I use soap?
Yes, use this soap and a sponge.
How long it take to clean?
It takes about 20 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to have a clean bike.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your next ride.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to our Smoothie Bowl Cafe. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if you have nut-free options.
You want to know if we have nut-free options? Yes, we do.
I not eat nuts.
You do not eat nuts? No problem. We have bowls with only fruit and seeds.
What is in the nut-free bowl?
It has banana, berries, seeds, and coconut.
Can I add honey?
Yes, you can add honey or maple syrup.
How much is one bowl?
One bowl is $4.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find safe food.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your smoothie bowl.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the chess tournament. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to join the tournament, but I am a beginner.
You want to join as a beginner?
That's great. Beginners are welcome here.
I not play chess very well.
You do not play chess very well.
No problem. We have a beginner group.
What I need to bring?
Just bring yourself. We have chessboards here.
How many games I play?
You can play as many games as you want.
Is there a prize for beginners?
Yes, we have a small prize for the best beginner.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try chess.
That's wonderful. Have fun and enjoy the tournament.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to Knitting Day. Can I help you?
Yes, I want learn to knit a hat.
You want to learn to knit a hat?
That's wonderful. Have you knitted before?
I not knit before.
You have not knitted before.
No problem. We teach beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring some yarn and knitting needles.
Just bring some yarn and knitting needles.
It takes a few hours, but you can finish in one day.
Is it hard?
It is easy if you go slow and follow the steps.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try knitting.
That's wonderful. You will make a beautiful hat.